Namaste, good evening, India. There are two very important rituals every day in our life which will decide the state of your health and the state of your inner well-being. One I said morning ritual, on which I already uploaded a video. Today I am talking about sleeping ritual. Sleeping ritual is very essential for our inner well-being. 8 hours of sound sleep is essential for our life. Why do we need to sleep? Complete rest. Our body is working the whole day. So much stress molecules are released, and there is a need to give complete rest to all parts of the body, to repair the cells of the body so that we can work the next day. If we don't get sound sleep in the night, our brain, our body cannot function next day, and we will have dysfunctions of our body and mind, and your state of health, your immunity level will start falling. That means you will be prone to large number of diseases. Even there will be breathing problems, then blood pressure problem, heart problems, and many other chronic diseases will start coming due to excessive stress molecules which are present inside your body, and they will attack your cells, degenerate them, and start killing them. Therefore, the question is, how do we develop a sleep ritual? Why don't millions of people are not getting good and sound sleep in the night? One, have a fixed time of sleeping and waking up. Early to rise, early to bed. This is very, very important, that you go to bed at a fixed time, not beyond 10 p.m. in the night. So we have to fix time. Second important thing is that after, try to take light and early dinner. Don't eat heavy meals in the night. Late night dinner, alcohol, caffeine, avoid it completely. They are unhealthy and will not allow you to sleep a sound sleep in the night. So after you are done with all your eatings before 8 p.m. or maximum 9 p.m., there should be no intake of food or liquids inside your body, because then your bladder will be filled with something and you will have to excrete in the night. Again, you have sleep disturbances in the night. Now the question is, you have to have the environment to sleep. As the sun rises, as there is a light, we get up. And as it becomes dark, our body tries to go to sleep. Melatonin hormones are released as you dim your lights, as you switch off your lights. Darkness is required for sleeping. The hormones will be released and the body will start coming to rest. Temperature should not be very high. Cool temperature will cool your mind around 20 degrees Celsius. That means your mind also coming down. All electronics, all gadgets out. At this point, any worries, drop them. Surrender. Write on a piece of paper and in the garbage. And after that, we are going to do some yoga asanas and meditation, breathing technique, which can help us for better sleep. So I will be doing few yoga asanas. I am taking my glasses off. These asanas can help us sleep better. This is my bed. You can cross your legs and sit in this position. Breathe in, breathe out. Then I am taking Balasana. I am taking the support of the wall. This is my bed where I will sleep, and making for a few minutes. Relax for a few minutes. Now I will do some meditation, breathing, in order to go for sleep. You can sit comfortably or you can sit on your bed with your spinal cord erect and close your eyes. What will we do? We will inhale deeply and exhale. Inhale, exhale. And we will bring all parts of our body to rest. Focus your entire attention on your breath only. All thoughts out. You will focus on your breath. Breath in, breath out. Inhale, exhale. You will inhale. You may count 5 in your mind. Exhale, count 5. Slow inhaling, slow exhaling, and we will take our attention to every part of the body and take them to rest. Spinal cord erect. Close your eyes. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Take your attention on your head and take your head on complete rest. Take your attention on your forehead and make it to go at complete rest. Keep breathing. All your attention, your entire mind, everything is on your breath. Focus on your breath only. Now take your attention on your face and make your face rest. Rest your face completely. Relax your face. Take your attention to your shoulders. Relax your shoulders completely and let your shoulders go to complete rest. Take your attention to your chest. Relax your chest. Give complete rest to your chest. Keep breathing. All your attention is on your breath. Breath in, breath out. Take your attention to your two hands. Relax your two hands. Give complete rest to your two hands. Now you come to your belly, stomach. Relax your belly, relax your stomach, and give complete rest, relaxation to your stomach. Now you bring your attention to your 2 feet. 2 feet. Relax your 2 feet completely. Give complete rest to your feet. Now your 2 feet, your two legs, hands, and entire body, loosen them completely. Relax all parts of your body. Relax your total body and bring your total body on rest. Complete rest to your complete body. Experience it. Keep breathing and inhaling, exhaling. सांस लीजिए, सांस छोड़िए, इस क्रिया को करते रहिए. Slowly lie down on your bed in Shavasana. Relax your body completely. Ask yourself that you are now sleeping. Go to your sleep slowly and slowly. Slow your breath. All body completely relaxed. All parts of the body under complete rest. And order yourself in your mind that you are sleeping. And you will go to sound sleep. All your lights are off. Light should be off. It should be total darkness in the room. No sound, no vibrations, and very cool atmosphere. Now this way you will go in very sound sleep. I have started falling sleepy by this process, and I hope this helped me and I am able to get sound sleep in the night by this sleeping ritual which I am practicing. And you can experience it, you can try it, and I hope it will help and benefit you for a sound sleep, so that you get complete rest in the night, and next day you have plenty of energy to do your work, and you free yourself from the possibilities of many chronic diseases which come due to the weakness in your immunity and serious problems of insomnia and sleep disorders. नमस्ते. मैं फिर मिलता हूँ आपको नेक्स्ट टाइम with my activities and my experiences, my experiments on my mind, body and soul, which I do. As whatever I learn, I try to put in the videos to benefit all. Namaste.